Hello guys, TV here Cat with Hat Crypto, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to provide liquidity to the USDC and USTC pool on Terraport, and also farm that for 90% APR. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, what you need is USTC and USDC. To get that, you can swap your LUNC to USTC, or you can buy USTC from an exchange, add that to your wallet, and then you can obviously swap half of that USTC for USDC through the swap here, and then you provide liquidity that way. So you provide it, and then you'll see the liquidity down here. I've only got $13, so that's all it is. And then to add that to the, so already you're earning some APR from it by just doing that. However, you can earn 90% APR if you farm it. So to farm it, you go to earn, farming. You see the USDC and USTC pool, you stake, and then you stake that there. It'll tell you on average what you'll get. So, you know, there's that. Let's approve that. And that'll go through. And then operation successful. If you refresh the page, you will see that you are staked and earning LP rewards. So, this updates every few seconds, but there you go. That is easily how you stake. Obviously, you can stake high amounts and then get even more back. But yeah, this is how you provide liquidity to the pools on here, and then obviously you can use any of the pools on here to then earn farming rewards. So yeah, some good rewards on APR that you can get for even more than you're staking for on Terra Station. So, like, you know, there's a LUNC in USDC pool, so you can do it for LUNC in USDC to get 78%. You can obviously do it for the LUNC in USTC to get 54% back APR instead of staking for 10% on station. And yeah, that is basically how to do that. And you can do that for any token that is on here. If you go to the trade, you'll see here the APRs for the trading of what it is right now. It shows the farming APR. If you hover over it, it shows the pair APR. So if you were to just provide liquidity to the Dex and LUNC pool, you'll earn 5.91% in APR, whereas if you farm, you get 32%. So it's basically an amplified reward. So if you've ever used Eris protocol before, that basically amplifies your staked assets for the liquid staked asset, and then you earn LUNC through that. So yeah, that is basically how you do that. If you want to see more on how to do that, you can obviously let me know in the comments below, and also yeah, just reach out to me. Obviously here's my token, 0.52% right now because of the low volume, but yeah, we're trying to increase the volume on Terra Classic, and this is just an easy way to earn more fees. Obviously, the more that is traded on these pairs, so like, let's say we're back up to where we were like a month or two ago. If we were to trade Cat with Hat, we would there was like a 30 to 40% APR in the pool. So like, it just depends on how much volume is going through that pool. So on our pair here, it's not much volume going through at the moment. But once there is, it'll be up like Rakoff's here at 15%, maybe even wait, that's farming. Oh, it's Terra's on Jira's is 4% there. Son 11%. GRDX and USTC here is 16%. So that's amazing. But yeah, that is how you do that. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.